Thank you for sneezing. Thank you, finally. That wasn't a cute sneeze. Oh, okay. Who said that? It was a person in chat. Get him, Pebbles. Get him. Attack. Get him. That guy said I wasn't cute. Get him. Did you like that? It wasn't a very satisfying sneeze because I tried to do it cutely. But because of that, I wasn't able to let go as much as I wanted to. But I tried to be cute about it. You're welcome. It was not satisfying though. And now I feel like I need to sneeze again. Wow, that didn't even come out. It was like about to come out, and then it was like the most that was the most gentle sneeze I've ever done. Very demure. Do you see how I sneeze? It doesn't take up the entire room. It doesn't drown out the sound from the rest of the room. Very demure, very mindful sneeze. Very small. Very cutesy. Very... doesn't interrupt anybody while they're talking. Do not spray anybody with my sneeze juice. I shouldn't call it that. I forgot the name of it.